Hi, second grade. So today we are going to look at our Symbaloo. So our Symbaloo is going to be over our main idea lesson, and we're just gonna click on our little boxes and I will show you each one of them. So first we have our main idea anchor chart. Give that a little bit to pull up. And we just have this anchor chart. It says main idea is the big idea, what the text is mainly about. It covers the whole story like an umbrella covers you. And then the supporting details are like the raindrops that support the main idea. They are the key details to the story or text. So there's our anchor chart that is already filled out. Then we have a brain pop, which we aren't going to play, but it is just about the main idea. We have topic versus main idea. This is not a worksheet. It's just to help you tell you what is the difference between the topic versus main idea. So there's that. Next, we have the main idea quiz. It is on Google Forms, so you're just going to read this short little story and answer 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 questions on it. Next to it we have the main idea song, which again we aren't going to listen to, but it's just going to help you remember what the main idea is. We have the main idea video. It's just a short little video that again will help you and can go over some stories, and you can answer some main idea questions. Here we have a detective main idea. Again, it is just a YouTube video. It's a little fun one. He's a detective and it is about main ideas, so it will help you. Here we have free educational reading books. If I tell you to get on this, you can just read a book of your choosing in our grade level and then tell me what the main idea is and some supporting details about it. Next, we have a fill-in main idea anchor chart. It's just a slideshow. You're going to read a story of your choice and then fill out the chart. So here's the beginning. Remember, the main idea is like an umbrella because it covers the whole story just like an umbrella covers you. Please type in the top of the umbrella, so right in here, what the main idea for your story is. Supporting details is like the rain. Question, why do we use umbrellas? Because it rains. We know that we use umbrellas because of rain. Rain is like supporting details. We know our main idea, umbrella, because of the supporting details. Please type at least 3 supporting details here in the raindrop. Next, we have a main idea worksheet. It's got a little ice cream cone because, let it load, ice cream. You're going to read this and put 3 details here and put your main idea here. Next we have our Superstorm, and this is the story we are going to read during our flipped classroom lesson. So you can go ahead, look at that all you want, reread it. Here on Quizlet we have some main idea vocab. There's 5 vocab, just main idea, supporting details, topic, infer, and nonfiction. Next, we have the main idea vocabulary quiz, and you're just going to use this word bank to type each definition. Next, we have a main idea circle worksheet. Once it loads, here you have a main idea circle. So there's a few images, and in this box right here, or I guess I should say circle, you're going to fill out what the main idea of all these images are. Okay, main idea clues. This is just a little clue sheet on some tips and tricks on how to find the main idea. You can look there if you're ever stuck. And then finally, we have a good details worksheet. You're going to have a main idea sentence and then 4 details, and you're going to underline the one that does not fit, is not a good supporting detail of this sentence. And that's all.